So in terms of like, what are ideal clients for you?
Ideal clients, new business owners, whether they're experienced or non-experienced, those are the best. Hair salons, restaurants, offices, dentists, doctors' offices, veterinarians, lawyers, insurance agents, anybody who is like in the landscaping, artisan, contractors, plumbers. Those are all great for us.
Those are pretty much all the questions I had. Is there anything that you want us to, that we didn't cover that you think people should know?
Oh boy. If you have not reviewed your policy since the first time you received it, and you've been with the same insurance coverage, you need to take a minute. You can send it over to me. I can review it for you, and I can let you know, hey, these are some of the coverages that you're missing. And we can sit down and review it. And if it makes sense, then awesome.
Yeah. Well, Irma, thank you so much. I think I want to revisit another episode with you. We'll drill down more on businesses and maybe also personal. I know we didn't cover much on personal, but again, my aim for this video was for the small business clients that I have that have questions and that are non-legal, but really can affect them legally. And it is financial. Like you said, you give some great examples of clients who actually ended up suffering a big financial loss because they didn't have the right coverages. And that's something as a lawyer, I can't really, I wanted them to have this resource to know that, beyond just hiring someone like me, when things kind of get out of control, if they have the right protections. And I'm so glad you mentioned EPLI. I think it's very, very neglected by a lot of business owners. Because I think fundamentally, business owners don't understand EPLI because they're like, oh, that just sounds like,
more coverage and more money that I have to pay.
Like there's always a skepticism, right? But there's a reason insurance, your industry is here. It really, like you said, is to make sure the person, God forbid something does happen, that they have the right coverages. Because the worst thing is the client doesn't have the right coverages. Yeah.
Yeah. I think what they need to realize is that you don't need to be a millionaire to be sued like one. In the state of California, there's so many lawsuits out there towards businesses. And that's one of the reasons why a lot of these businesses go bankrupt, because they didn't have coverage. Nobody explained to them. Nobody took the time to say, tell me about your business.
So I'm going to make that the subject of this. We're going to title this video, "You don't have to be a millionaire to be sued by like one." I love that. That's a great way for us to end this. So let's plan for another one soon. Irma, thank you so much.